Okay, so today I have some chicken thighs, and this is around maybe 2 pounds. So I have 2 pounds of chicken thigh, and I'm gonna just take them out of the packaging, clean them up, season them, and I'll make some sweet and sour chicken today. So I'm just gonna remove the extra skin, trim the fat. I'm gonna keep the skin on and season them. Clean and wash your chicken. So we're just gonna wash your chicken thighs with some white vinegar, rinse well with water, and then you're going to drain out, dry off most of the water. Add a tablespoon of olive oil, then I'm going to add my seasoning. So I have garlic, onion, salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and I think this is 5 Chinese mixed herbs. So I am gonna combine these before I add them to my chicken. Just use that to sprinkle. Alright, remember that there's only a teaspoon of salt in here, so it just looks like a lot, but it's just those 5 seasoning combined. I have some oregano, or it might be an Italian seasoning, so I'll add some of that to my chicken. Then I will mix that in. Okay, so let the meat marinate for 2 hours or more before you proceed. Okay, so just brown the chicken in the oil. So you know it's hot when you hear the sizzling sound. Sizzling. Okay. So this is the second batch of fried chicken, brown chicken. So I'm just gonna turn the flame off now and prepare the other ingredients. Okay. So using the same oil that you brown your chicken in, you're gonna add chopped onions, some garlic, chopped garlic. So that's about 3 to add carrots. So this is 2 large carrots that I've cut in thin slices. Not really thin, but that. So I measured a cup of water. I added it to the pan that the seasoning and the chicken was cooking. So This is just the residual seasoning from the pan. Alright, and let that roll it to simmer. Now I'm going to prepare the sauce to go on top of the meat. It should give me the same sweet and sour taste, so I'm going to use white wine vinegar. And I'm also adding a tablespoon of something. I have soy sauce, so you can add. So we'll do doesn't want to cooperate. Let's do same amount of salt, mustard, and then we'll add some ketchup. Well, tomato sauce, ketchup, whatever you have. I'm gonna add this to my chicken. So we have our chicken, and we're just gonna put our sauce over top of each and every one of our chicken. And then I'm gonna pour on top.